looks amazing. This boss sucks dick. I hate her. Never pops my fucking shield. Ooh.
Don't shame her.
Just
That's her job.
Yes. She can't pop my cherry like I want.
Somehow I knew that joke was coming.
I'm out of here. I don't have that much material to work with. Let's see.
Know that feeling.
Outside at sea. Yeah, it's fucking rough for the funny people in this Discord. Inside at
Clock
clock
spots.
spot. Spread.
I'm taking full advantage of Dragoon privilege there. I'm not moving. You
Inside
guys leave.
sea.
Like, you guys happen to leave at the perfect time.
I get up.
Don't look at me.
Wall and stack.
I get up.
Gotta get up. That's
That's
my
the
favorite
best
fucking video.
video.
I just watched that video last night.
Why? Why am I like this? Piercing Talon does not need to be used. I'm so glad I waited for my buffs to fall off to use Stardiver. Buh.
Hamburger.
Bug.
Say, what is that even from?
Nothing. I just started saying it.
Just came to you, huh?
It just came to me. I'm stupid. I don't know what you're offering me.
God, I fucking hate you.
Clock spots.
Clock spawns.
Bugger.
Stack at north.
I thought you could sell it.
I may perish.
I'm trying.
Right,
How am I alive?
That shield. My girthy shields. Stack at north. Move out. No ease.
Oh,
What's
someone-
happening over there?
Don't worry about it. It's fine.
All right.
Yeet.
And then spreads.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. We're good.
Who doesn't have a
Yes,
buddy?
right.
Does everyone have a buddy?
I do not have a buddy.
Don't
Help! Help!
Help me! Please!
It's okay, I got Stardiver off.
I did the fucking do-si-do with that motherfucking ninja. What the fuck was that?
I pressed Living Dead. I hit Living Dead by accident. It's not good. It's not good. Oh, it's fucking rough out here, man. I hate it. Nick is fucking dying.
Yeah.
I can't take it here anymore. Fucking PlayStation Fire, no! Well,
Just so everyone's aware, I have hit the shadow play button 20 times so far. Most of it is
Inside
just me and
that
Damon screaming.
yeah, that's what I do. I'd be scared a lot, you know.
It'd be scary out here.
It do be scary out here. Ah! Piers 11 throw.
Bah.
What's happening here?
I don't know that guy. Never heard that name before.
Get in, Runa, please. Spread!
What the hell? I'm okay.
You're mad at me.
I'm not okay.
This guy's not okay. Somebody help him.
Down, no.
So long. So long.
Give her
Runakun, you're alive.
Not anymore.
No! You were dead. Oh, we had the Romeo and Juliet death. I only wiped because I didn't think I had a healer.
awful. Do you need me to
Hilarious
send you a
one.
picture of what a res looks like on somebody?
Yes, please.
Do you need some potions?
Hey Siri, what does a res look like? Don't answer that. Stop. My phone's right next to me. I forgot where it was.
iPhone users be like,
Yeah,
You.
I know. I'm a dirty boy.
Shut
don't
the
say it like that.
I use iPhone. It's true.
Let me just gloss over the fact that he referred to himself as a dirty boy.
I would never. Wall and then spread.
I've made a mistake yet again.
That was an interesting one. No, Nick! You wanted to take me with you, didn't you? You goddamn creeper. I saw that.
I moved a little bit towards you. Just keep you on your toes. Make sure your toes are working.
I am so heavily misaligned after what fucking little stunt I pulled.
Me when Mercury's in retrograde.
Me when Mercury's in Gatorade.
I should have said Gatorade. That would have been so much funnier. Was that Runa that immediately just recoiled at my joke?
Yeah, D out. Now bug out.
What? What mechanic requires us to bug out?
Bug out.
This one.
Inside. Block spot.
Get to your Johns and then bug out.
Get out this John. Bug out, boy.
Together we can make party finder even more confusing.
Take swap! No! No! I'll just hit a swift 4 GCDs, baby. You think I won't? I will. I mean OGCDs. I'm abbreviating wrong. I'm fucking stressed. I'm pissing. I'm shitting. Never leave my side, baby boy.
My sweet child. Have you seen the fucking...
Stop it. I'm just trying to call the safe spot.
Wall.
Wall. Light bodies. Nick.
Get body.
Nick, I swear to God.
What's the Nick call
I'm
out?
not saying anything!
I don't understand what the Nick call out is for.
You're killing him, stop! He's gonna great parts because of you.
I'm gonna grade parse on my own, I don't need any help!
Especially for Dragoons.
I'm gonna steal LB.
Yeah, it'd be like that.
Oh shit, I got interrupted.
This is gonna be the spread again. DPS right. Then we'll go right. Are you a Rogaine? What the hell? You son of a bitch! You son of a bitch! This Magic the Gathering player killed me! You bastard! I hate it here. I don't want to be raid lead anymore. I want to leave. I want to go sink into the fucking ocean.